Alright, in this video I will show you exactly what I'm doing in order to find keywords. It's pretty boring at times because you have to check a lot of keywords, and it's like looking for gold. You know, when gold diggers look for gold, they take a big chunk of dirt and they try to find little dusts of gold, and it's not really easy to find them, but you have all the dirt. You simply have to find the gold within it. First, you must pick a general topic that you want to write about. So let's say that we want to write about games for our Android phones. So what I'm going to do in a case like this, I will simply write games for Android block. Games for Android block. And then I will pick one of the big blocks. For example, let's pick this one, droidgamers.com. And you simply, let's find where are their games, game reviews. Alright, so here you can find all the new games, I guess. For this specific example, maybe going on the Google Play Store is also nice. So you simply make a list of all the games that you want to check if their keywords are good enough to make websites for them. So simply you have to go make that list, take all the games from here and all the other blogs that you can find. Maybe let's take this one. So original Rayman on Android. Then we have some other stuff, and you simply make a big list of apps, games that you want to possibly write about. And after that, you have to check if these keywords are worth it, if you should really make a website and write about them. So the key point here was that first, you have to pick a topic that you want to write about, whether it's apps for Android, whether it's about vegetables, whether it's about exercise. You may even want to write about glasses. I don't know. Whatever your topic is, simply find some big blog about it and just sketch out the main topics that you possibly want to write about. The big blogs are like the dirt that I gave you example about. The big blocks are the dirt. You take all the dirt from them, make the big list, and then you sort everything from this list. You sort it through the keyword planner in Google that I'm about to show you, and you check which keywords are good enough and which are not, and which you should simply throw away with the dirt. I will show you examples of good keywords. I will show you examples of bad keywords. I will tell you why you should pick a specific keyword or why you shouldn't pick it. And let's move on to the next video.